Hi everyone, today we're on Module 6 Module 6 of Level E. This is Lesson 0, Review 1. So there are 2 review lessons in this module. The first one is a math flash, so bar graphs review. Let's read here. It says, Ella's class is selling team flags to raise money for the basketball team. Ella's class sold team flags for 5 days. The bar graph shows the amount of money they raised each day. How much more money did the class raise on Tuesday than on Thursday? So we can see each day how much money they raised. So we can see in the bar graph, down here on the x-axis are days, and the y-axis is the amount in dollars. So here's the graph up here. It's kind of small. We'll zoom in a little bit here. But then we're going to organize our solution on your page. It says, what do I know? The bar graph shows the amount of money raised. So we can write amount of, we'll do abbreviation here, money raised. Okay, and then what are you trying to find? Well, it says, how much more money did the class raise on Tuesday than on Thursday? So we would write, how much more money was raised Tuesday, I'm going to have to zoom in here to make it bigger again, was raised Tuesday compared to Thursday. Okay, so write that down. That was a little bit messy. I'll zoom back out though so we can see the graph. Okay, this says, what steps should I use to solve the problem? All right, so steps. We first need to find, number 1, the amount they raised on Tuesday. So if we zoom in for Tuesday, we can see that on Tuesday they raised $60. And just so we know, Thursday is 20. So 60 on Tuesday. So we'll write $60 on Tuesday. So we can say I found where the top of the bar for Tuesday lines up with the scale. And then step 2, we need to find the amount raised on Thursday. Well, we saw that at the top of the line goes over to the 20. So we're going to write $20. And then step 3, we need to decide which operation to use, then use the operation. So 60, which operation are we going to use? Well, over here it says I subtracted to find the difference between the amounts. So you're going to subtract because 60 is more than 20, so we want to find out how much more. It is $40 more. Oh, $40. So $40 more was raised on Tuesday. So this says, how can I show that my results are reasonable? I can start at the top of the bar for Thursday and count the amounts until I reach the top of the bar for Tuesday. From 20 to 60, I counted $40. So the amount checks. So the answer is reasonable. So on the graph, if you count up from 20 to 60, you get 40. Okay, so this part 2, I'm just going to talk about. You don't need to write anything down for this. It says, show or explain your work. So remember, The first thing we did is we found out how much money was raised on Tuesday. So we could see that that was 60. Thursday, and then we found out Thursday was 20. So then all we did is we did 60 minus 20 to find the difference. Well, like we said before, if we count it up, we can see these are going up by 10. So if I start here with 20, I get 10, 20, 30, 40. So the difference between Thursday and Tuesday is $40. Okay, so remember on the first question we answered the original question. We explained how we did that. And was it reasonable? Yes, because we did we found the difference with subtraction, and then we looked on the graph and counted up. Okay, and then we used vocabulary words in our answer. All right, I know we didn't write everything on there, but that's okay. So you're going to show me pages 1 to 2, and then you'll get a stamp.